There is nothing extravagant about the ingredients. You must make sure though that they are of good quality, such as rough textured pasta, enough for you and your significant other, some extra virgin olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter, as well as Parmigiano Reggiano, which will give our pasta some tasty umami. Moreover, an organic lemon, 1 garlic clove, a handful of flat Italian parsley, and last but not least, a bit of heat provided by a fresh chili pepper or chili flakes. Let's start by peeling and slicing the garlic, as well as a tablespoon of fresh chili pepper. Alternatively, you can use a teaspoon of chili flakes, aka Aleppo peppers. Continue by chopping the parsley and, once done, also make sure to nicely massage the lemon. This will help it to relax so that it will offer no resistance when we want to squeeze its juice out in a second. Great, now grab your pasta and let's move to the stove. Bring enough water to a boil, salt it and start cooking your pasta as per manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to not go overboard with the salt for your pasta water though, we will need some of the water for our sauce and you don't want your pasta al limone to be over salted. Use a maximum of 1 teaspoon for every 2 liters or 2 quarts of water. In parallel, pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your pan and over medium-low heat, sweat the garlic and chili peppers in it for a few minutes. Make sure to not burn the garlic, otherwise it will turn unenjoyably bitter. Also, with the finest side of your grater, add the zest of half a lemon into the mix. Don't forget to stir your pasta in the meanwhile, we don't want it to stick to each other nor to the bottom of the pot. Ideally, the garlic should have turned blonde/golden when the pasta is ready to be transferred into the pan. If not, set the pan aside and wait for the pasta to cook. 2 minutes short of the pasta being done, start transferring it to the pan. Use a tong or any other tool, but do not pour the content of the pot through a colander. We need the precious pasta water, of which we add 30 to 60 milliliters into the pan. Give everything a good gentle mix and add the butter in it to melt. Follow up with the juice of 1 medium-sized lemon and the chopped parsley. Grate 50 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano over it and mix well. Now is also the perfect opportunity to show off your flippy pan skills. Add a few more tablespoons of boiling pasta water if the sauce is too thick, or some more Parmigiano if too thin. Do not season your pasta with salt until the very end and only if necessary, for Parmigiano and the pasta water are salty already. Great, one last gentle fold and off the stove. Our lemon pasta recipe yields 2 generous portions. Grate some more Parmigiano Reggiano and lemon zest on top and surprise anyone whom you wanna do something good for. And there you go, a quick to make mood booster and one of our new favorite comfort foods suggested to us by our Italian friends. Make sure to join our community and activate the bell in order to see more delicious recipes from around the world. And now, enjoy your pasta al limone. Buon appetito!
Remember, spoon is for amateurs. You taste the garlic a bit, the intense, refreshing lemon, the Parmigiano gives some creaminess and umami.